the promo of the groom and wife. Oh, wala naman. Anong sinabi niya? Wala naman. Want to give a message to groom and wife. Uh, Good luck, congratulations for their reunion of balls. Oh, tapos na po.
Congratulations, Fitz and Myla. Love you from the Florentinos.
Hello? Hello?
Message mo sa bride and groom.
Bride and
Groom.
be good and always safe.
Congratulations po Ate Myla at Kuya Fitz. May God bless you. Thank you.
Hello, Fitz and Myla. Congratulations and best wishes. Um, um, God bless you both. We love you from your Sesco family.
Hi, best wishes to you, boss Myla and Fitch. Good luck sa future. Wish you all the luck.
Yeah. I'm so happy for both of you. It's a beautiful wedding ceremony, and may God bless your union with love, joy, and lasting happiness togetherness. Congratulations from Tita Ninang Mabel. Okay.
Your inanak, sana'y maging masaya at punong-puno ng pagmamahalan ang inyong pagsasama. May God bless you.
Hello, Fitz and Myla. We love you.
Message mo sa bride and groom.
Be happy anak. Tsaka love each other always.
Hello ate, hello kuya. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Sana, sorry, best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Thank you.
Ayun, Ate Myla and Kuya Fitz, congratulations. Best wishes po sa inyong dalawa and may the good Lord always bless your relationship. And of course, your little girl. Thank you very much for inviting us. Thank you.
Hello po, Kuya Fritz and Ate Myla. Thank you for inviting us. Me and Robin are so very thankful for you and may God continue to bless your marriage. Best wishes po. Thank you ulit.
Message mo kay bride
A
and groom.
message. Congratulations and best wishes, Fitz and Myla and Zyla. Okay? Ay. Hello, Fitz and Myla. Best wishes and congratulations. There's always forever. So, forever kayo ha? Congratulations. Okay na.
Fitz and Myla, best wishes for a long and blissful married life. Congratulations! Ah, tapos na. Then, after that,
Pagkagan, ang tanong mo. Hello mga daling, congratulations!
Ah, hello, Fitz and Myla. Best wishes. Congratulations.
hello Fitz and Myla, congratulations!
Myla, congratulations. Dua kay Kenny Pitts. Apay, awag. Ikabi ko. Ilagay ko lang dito.
Hi, Fitz, Myla. Congratulations and best wishes. May you have more long-lasting marriage and be patient. And you know the meaning of patience. The meaning is in patience is a virtue. The new version is patience is always.
Hi, Kuya Fitz and Ate Myla. Congratulations. Best wishes and hoping for more years of marriage. Sana sa 10 years of marriage, mag-renew ulit kayo para may ganito ulit. Another renewal of vow. Again, thank you and congrats.
Sabihin ka? Counted ba yung tao? Oh, ito na.
Hello po. Thank you po for inviting me. Wow. Congratulations po Kuya Fitz and Ate Myla. Wish you all the best and a healthy marriage. Yun lang.
Ano sabihin ko? Hello, thank you po sa invite. Okay na.
Uy, may photo booth.
Hello. Hello, Fitz, Myla. Thank you sa pag-invite sa amin. Congratulations for your wedding vows today. More years to come and always love each other. And sana huwag niyo kami kalilimutan, okay? See you. See you there. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Mamo and Uncle Fitz. We love you so much. Congratulations. God bless. Alam mo na yun. Nandito lang ako palagi.
Congratulations, Mamo and Uncle Fitz. I just want to say that I'm really thankful for all the things that you've given to us when we were younger. And I'm really thankful for taking care of us, me and Isha, when we were younger, even if we used to always fight and when we are very makulit. Yun lang. Thank you po.
I don't remember growing up without an Uncle Fitz and Tita Myla. That's why we're so grateful for your lives po. Yun lang po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, hello, Myla and Fitz. Congratulations, anak. Continue to love each other and God bless you. Sika pa lang mo.
Hello nung, congrats and happy renewal of vows. Thankful kami sa lahat ng advice and tulong nyo sa amin. Sana more blessings sa inyong family, sa ating family lahat with Saria. Sana lumaki siya ng good girl, yeah.
Bright girl. Congratulations. You have a beautiful, bright, witty Zaria. Congratulations mga anak. God bless. Love you.
Hello, Fitz and Myla. Congratulations on your renewal of vow. May God continue to bless your family. God bless. Thank you.
Wishes, Myla and Fitz.
Fitz and Myla, congratulations. More renewal of vows. Congratulations once again.
Fitz and Myla, congratulations and best wishes. Lang.
Hi, Fitz and Myla. Best wishes. Congrats. Mabuhay.
Congrats. Okay na po yun? Ay, congratulations. Stay strong. Jared season. Out, out, out.
Ikaw ba? Huwag mo na ibalik. Pasok mo dyan.
Hello!
Congratulations and have a blessed relationship together.
Love you, Mamo and Uncle Fitz. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Stay strong.
Hello to the newlywed. But thank you for inviting us and stay strong and be happy always. God bless.
Hello, Fitz and Myla. Congratulations, and we wish you all the best in life. God bless.
My line Fitz, congratulations and
Lapit ka na. Hi! Congratulations, Fitz and Myla. We love you very much. Stay sweet and thank you for being so generous. We love you.
Tita namin.
Alam na niya yun.
Okay.
Hi, Nung Pits. Congrats. Congrats, Ate Myla.
Congrats, Ate Myla. Congrats nung Pits. Congrats, Ate Myla. Congrats nung Pits.
Kuya, natanggal!
Congratulations, Myla and Fitz. We love you so much. We're just here to love and to support you. God bless.
Hi, best wishes sa inyong dalawa. At nawa ay dumami yung mga anak nyo. Mag-anak kayo ng marami. God bless.
Congratulations and best wishes.
Hello, Tito Fitz. Thank you for inviting us and congratulations po.
Okay. Hello, Fitz and Myla. Congratulations again and good luck to both of you. Take care of Zalia. God bless.
Hello, sir. Ma'am and congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. God bless.
Congratulations on your wedding.
Congratulations on your wedding. May your love grow stronger with each passing day, and your life together be filled with joy, laughter, and endless blessings. Congratulations!
Hello, Manong Fitz and Ate Mas. Congratulations, best wishes. Thank you very much for inviting us. Thank you and congratulations again.
Ano yun?
Hi, best wishes. Congrats.
Hi, Maya and Fitz. Congrats sa wedding nyo. Thank you sa pag-invite sa amin. At super nag-enjoy si AJ. Kailan na second baby? Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Nung Fitz and Ate Myla.
Message. God bless. God bless your wedding. Okay na.
Hello! Hi! Congratulations! Grabe. Really proud of you guys. So, you really need to keep it up together. Walang iwanan. Palagi dapat. You choose one another. Okay? Congratulations! Tita Marla. Congratulations.
5 years, renewal of vows, and thank you for inviting us.
Flying kiss, oh.
Thank you. Okay.
Hello, picture up. And Tita Marla. Congratulations. Yay. Hello. Okay. Yun na lang. Wala eh. Okay. Mommy, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, give to her. Give na. Give na. Dito pa. Nalinis na.
Hello po, madam and sir. Congrats po sa inyo. Best wishes po. Thank you po. Dahil kami po yung kinuha yung supplier sa Hair Inika. Thank you po. Congrats po.
Ang galing, ba't ko to? Congratulations, madam. Best wishes to you and to your groom. Enjoy life. Congrats.
Hello, madam. Congrats. Best wishes. Sana magtagal. Yun lang.
Hello, congratulations on your wedding day. I wish both of you a very special married life. Congrats again. Thank you.
Ano po, best wishes.
Hello po. Hi, ma'am, sir. Congratulations. Best wishes and more years to come together. Thank you.
Ayan na.
Hi, Fitz and Marla! Congrats and best wishes!
Congrats.
And what else?
Yun lang.
Grabe, sa dami namin na, yun lang yung sasabihin niya. Okay. Thank you for inviting us. I'm so happy to be here. And God bless. So,
Fitz and Myla, I wish you all the best in life. May may your marriage last the longest. Congratulations and good luck.
Hello, Fitz and Myla. Thank you so much for inviting us to witness this beautiful ceremony today. Not everyone gets to marry the same person within a period of 5 years. You're doing it so right. This was inspirational and romantic. So enjoy the life together with your beautiful Zaria. That's all. Congratulations.
For wedding room. For wedding room.
Hello, Fitz and Myla. Apo, nagragsak deti kasaryo. Agilo ka na at ano ko Mawatan nyo, nagragsak. Very, very happy kami nga naka-attend. Ken memorable. Makasangit Bye. Thank you so much. Ken best wishes, mga anak. God bless you and we love you, Myla and Fitz and beautiful Salia. Okay, God bless.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Mom.
okay na? Okay.